everyone, this is Sharmin Khan from Milkyway Art Design. So today I am so excited because I am going to work on a 12-inch by 16-inch canvas. As most of you who see me or are following me over this period of time, you know that I love to work on tile and wooden surface, but my ultimate goal is to go back to canvas with bigger surface, bigger dimension. So it's kind of my transition. So let's see how it goes. First of all, I'm thinking what can be my challenges when I work on my canvas. So I think if I'm working on my canvas, I have to make my paint a little bit more diluted than how I usually use on my wooden surface or tiles. The reason is there is a texture on canvas which we don't have when we are working on ceramic tile or wooden surface. So therefore I would make my paint a little bit more diluted. You can see my green that I'm pouring right now. It's the moment I put it on, there is no lump. It just dissolves into my base coat. So it's a little bit more liquidy, or how should I say it? It's more fluid than what I usually make my paint consistency. Also, you will notice that I have added a layer of green and a layer of gray color into this layer before I added some white and my black cell activator. Couple of things you should notice that on this layer I'm not adding any gold because this layer is supposed to represent leaves and vines and whatnot. So therefore there's no gold here, because usually you'll see I cannot do any pour without a gold. So here I added just my black cell activator. The reason I added the gray with the green is to add some dimension to my leaves, because this layer of bloom is going to represent the leaves of my flowers. So that's why I added some gray. Also here I think it's worth mentioning that you will not probably see any gray at the end of the day, because for some reason green always takes over and everything else dissolves underneath the green. So I'm not sure how much gray we will see at the end of the day, but it's there, just so you know. Now I'm moving on to my second layer. Now I will be working on my third layer, and this layer I am adding my flowers. I think I'm going to stop now and I will bring you down. And so far the composition looks so gorgeous. I love this little negative space in between, and the sides are all kind of covered. And look at the shading of the flowers and the leaves. They look so stunning. I'm so happy with this one. Thank you so much, guys, for being with me and sharing my experience with me. Thank you so much again for watching my video. Please subscribe and give it a like if you like my videos, and write down what you think in the comment section. Thank you.